Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. So I figured today I would just bring you guys along. I am going to work again in my blue book or whatever it was called. It was something Melina had done. So that's all I'm going to do today. Just very simple, just continuing to work in it, and I figured why not bring you guys along to help me out. So I hope everybody is doing well. I am doing good, just staying busy with work. Now I'm looking, I did not ink this, so we're going to go along with that same thing, and we're not going to ink since I did not ink on the other one. I mean, I can, it don't matter because it's separate, you know, and when I go to cut it out to use it for tags or whatever, I can, it's not going to be the same thing, but I'm not going to worry about inking it. I'm just going to put some stuff down. And you guys know that collage is not something that I am very comfortable with. Like, some people just make it look so easy, and then there's me. And I just struggle. I have a hard time doing collage. One of my subbies, and I'm sorry that I forgot which one of you guys it was that told me, but one of you guys told me, said, you know, just think of it like how you do your digital designs. It's the exact same thing. So I try to do that. I try to think about it as being some of my digital designs. And it definitely makes it a little easier. The only thing with this is there's no back button. And let me tell you, I love that back button on my digital designs. Because when I make a mistake, I can just hit that undo button real quick. And I'm happy. But I need to learn to get past that and just work on this stuff. Let's see. Need a smaller piece. I can do this maybe. And I'm just taking, I'm not even really paying attention to what goes where. I'm just putting stuff down. I find for me that's the easiest thing to do, because when I think about it, I overthink it, and I try to matchy match, and yeah, I kind of defeat the whole purpose of collage whenever I start doing it, because I have that thing, that OCD part of me has a hard time sometimes with collage. Yep. So I'm just trying to, and I'm already overthinking it just that quick. And so I've got to stop. So guys, don't forget about the giveaway for the $50 gift card to my Etsy store. Make sure you go to the video. I will try to remember to link that video below. Excuse me, but make sure you go to that video, and like that video and share that video, and then indicate that you've done all 3. And the contest will end on the 28th. And I can't remember if I said I would do the drawing on the 29th or announce on the 29th, but either way, you'll know on the 29th who the winner of that is. And I have lots of new stuff coming into my Etsy store. I am waiting for, I think it's like 3 shipments right now. It should be here. Actually, 2 of them should have already been here, but even FedEx is apparently having delivery issues, because one package has been in, it arrived in Memphis, I think it was the 19th, and it just showed that it left Memphis this afternoon. I'm like, what are y'all doing holding on to my package that long? I mean, FedEx, really? I know the post office is crazy with their deliveries. First class mail now takes like a week and a half, which I think is crazy. But what can I do? So, yeah, see, this video may not be very long at all, because I'm moving right along, which is good, because y'all know that, like I said, this is outside of my comfort zone big time. But that's the only way to learn something, is to get out of your comfort zone and just do it. And that's what I've been trying to do. As difficult as it is, I have been trying. Look at my desk. Oh my God. This is the part that kills me. Because I don't do good with my desk in a mess like this. It makes it difficult on me. It messes with my thinking ability. It don't take much to mess with my thinking ability, let me tell you. Now I need one little piece right there. And I'm just looking to see if I have a little scrap. Here we go. This will work. And we'll just tear it like that. Okay. So now we have that. Wow, that part of it went quick. Now let's see how quick the other part goes for me. So what did I do on this one? I done a journal, a label, some washi stickers. Okay. Let's see. What do we want to do now? I've got some washi stickers over here. I have a bunch of stuff right here. Let me just look and see what's in here. What I might enjoy doing. That may look good. Or something like this. Ooh, I like that one. I don't know how that will look in there, but we're going to give it a go and just see what we can do with it. I wonder if I like tear around the edges. And since I have all the other torn edges. I wonder how that's going to look. I do like that flower. Very much so. I think it needs to be on something. Maybe book page. You know, book page is my go-to. Now, what did I think I already put that other book page up. The one I used yesterday. And whenever I was doing the tags, I think I put it with that kit. I'm wondering if I need to ink that up. I think I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and ink this. I think I'm gonna like it like that. Okay. Now, do I want it right here? Or what about here? Okay, I think I'm gonna put it there. And then I can put maybe a sticker or something up at the top. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just to, I don't know, maybe do it a little bit different. It's probably still gonna end up looking the same because I'm a creature of habit. I tend to do things pretty much the same. It's just like with a restaurant and going and getting food. I always order the exact same thing. It all depends on what restaurant we're going to as to what I decide I'm going to eat. And I already know what I'm going to order depending on where we go. Let's see. What about a stamp? Maybe a stamp with another little bit of book page, because you know when we go to cut this up and put it in something, they're not going to be on the same area. I think I like that. We're just going to make a decision and put it down. And just like that. I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to ink this stamp up. Just to give it a little bit of dimension there. And all of this stuff, I believe, is still in my Etsy store. Some of it may be out right now. But if it is out, just keep your eyes open, because I do have a bunch of stuff coming in. So, you know what? I have some labels over here. What did I do with them? I don't think these are in my Etsy store, and I don't think I ordered any more of these because I liked them, but they just didn't seem to be, I don't know. They weren't that big of a bang for the buck, and I don't know. I want it to be worth it for me and for you, so if it doesn't, I mean, the quality is very good. I do like the quality, but it's just not something that I would order more of, because that's what I normally do. Is I'll order some stuff that I think that I might like in my Etsy store, and then I'll get it and try it out, and then if I don't like it, I just don't order it to put in my Etsy store, and then if I like it, I put it in my Etsy store. I'll order more, and so this was just, they were okay. they were good for me to buy and use, but not to sell. What about one of these? I don't know. Thinking a washi one. Let's go with maybe a washi. What did I do with that big bag? Let's see what I have in here. I think I've seen some flowers in here. That may be too big. It's too big. I just need something that's not going to clash. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it. It's killing me. It's killing me to dump it all out, but I had to. There was really no other way. This kind of goes along with the one that we done the other day. I think I might do that one. Even though it's going to cover up a little bit of that label, I'm okay with that. All right, let's just make that decision and let's just put it down. And we're just going to put it down like that. And there we go. All right, and we're going to call this done. I'm not even going to clean the desk right now because I'm going to put all that stuff in my book. But I have my second page of my glue book, guys. I'm excited. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.